No matter what you drive, there are some problems that all vehicle owners have to deal with. Traffic, fuel prices, but the one that can cause some of the most damage to your car or truck is rust. And winter is the absolute worst time for cars in terms of rusting and corrosion. Let's talk about how to keep your ride rust-free when the salt starts spraying. First thing first, what is rust? Well, for a detailed look at the process, check out our Fuel Your Mind episode on corrosion. But for a brief summary, rust is a chemical reaction caused when iron reacts with oxygen and water. Things like salt and moisture can accelerate the corrosion process. This makes winter an especially tough time for your car when it comes to rusting. So how do we stop it? Well, first step's easy. Wash your car. So often washing your car in the winter helps prevent salt buildup and remove things that trap moisture like mud and dirt. The next thing you do is just clean it more often, specifically detailing your car in the early spring to remove all the tiny deposits of salt, and again late in the fall before the salt starts to hit the road. These cleanings will help to ensure that no pockets of salt or moisture are hiding on your vehicle. Repairing those nicks or dents that expose bare metal is essential to keeping the rust monster away. Exposed metal, for example, is just asking for salt and the moisture to combine, and that corrosion process begins. You also want to make sure that you're using a plastic or rubber floor mat inside your vehicle. Fabric floor mats, they may look nice, but they're not as good at keeping the water away from the metal of your car. If you have a truck that has a lay-in bed liner, make sure you remove that before the winter. Underneath those liners, they're the perfect place for moisture to gather and hide. And finally, use some form of rust protector on the exposed metal, hinges, doors, and tailgates to protect your ride. Our Hotshot Secret Never Rust is a perfect fix for your rust prevention needs. It both stops rust from forming and also lubricates all the moving parts.